kini kes kita South Usah mentasi ni ong na East Khasi Hills kidon South Pole karena kini South Pole iway ite na for BSF iway the high risk contact jong iway belong positive but life fra ide iba niyo halte for rilbong banginde random sampling menen janmir adon ramen West Garo Hills lai kini baro lai gidei kibangiyo napo tikrikila East Janti Hills iway idei interstate driver idei bateri kibasang dukan kidei bateri bela bateri yang ru kita nong tu mo libero homework kita mo yang ayo tengah ngut kini mo bagi ai kopsen BB cloth kita gitu badi jan bali rap di jan begini gue kinang keli naki mo tama boni gidegi nang tiba-tiba terekam man kasi babelas ni suspect bakal community spread tangma long community spread kali narafi on community spread mo barok gue kacaka ni itu tama ngi dengan konten bai tangi ti cakai di koloni biasa lang tu tikini gue shani sharot tingi iba bon kimlang positif ni kibangi test ngilap positif kibai nak tu kacaka takadang konten beja ka tu kacaka kalau saya sih orang biang, bah kam shingai, bat ke station kan lagi ke bawah, bangin yami tan sabah, bangin jele, pikir, namar, kumengilau hi berabor, tau kan dia jengpang kan long kiwi flui, kemudian sistem dari kapur step ha, dah kapur step kemakan mentah bagi dan protocols, kan orang jengye pada itu ki, bah long ki high risk. But kita ki balong positif but hayeng asam jong kiro temene mentan ki doktor jongi ki ladap let shit ki jaka but ke jaka ke bangi kontin menta ate koril bang kalong Nepali compound Rilbang from the house of Srimati Roma Devkota Mira Store up to the house of Srimati Sushma Talukdar and further down up to the river Umjasai. The shops that are located in the building of Mrs. B.M. Kurba and 3 mantra buildings opposite the puja mandap. Got all around, including those 2 from Rilbang. That's why we could not get the source. So this one also same thing is happening. They're doing the contact tracing. So in a day or two, we will be able to tell whether they got it from a specific source or we cannot trace the source. Okay, but see, we got 2 cases from Rilbang. So these people, every likelihood, they are high risk contacts of these. When they went to that shop, they went to the market. Okay, because these are the 2 people who were tested positive. Also, the initial ones, the first ones. They had gone to the marketplace and the same thing also had happened to these people. So that is why we told that since most of these people are working in Bara Bazar area, that means Yodo area and Police Bazar area, so that is why we have put testing centers there. And today I think they have started those centers. The spread is within a colony. That is why we have contained that particular colony and all the roads and thoroughfare, Rilbang, Bishnupur, we have not closed all those roads. It's only that colony. So if we get positive cases other than this colony, in and around, without any history of contact, without any travel history, then what you have just said just now, we will have to take a call on that, of how to contain that whole area.